Our family is obsessed with these blueberry pancakes. I mean, can you blame us? They're light, buttery, and fluffy.
They are good.
So you could use buttermilk, but I never have it on hand. So we start by souring some milk with fresh lemon juice. This little fake out is excellent for these pancakes or any other recipe that calls for buttermilk. Moving on, grab your whisk and blend flour, sugar, baking soda, and salt. Then add an egg and vanilla extract to the jug with the milk and lemon. We also add a tiny bit of almond extract, but that's optional. Combine everything as well as some melted butter until you see a mostly smooth batter. And then tumble in the blueberries. So I like cooking these in butter. The edges get crisp and the butter makes these blueberry pancakes taste so good. So I've got a smallish pan here which works just fine. But if you have the space, a griddle makes quick work of this. And that's it, my family's favorite blueberry pancakes.
Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.